The restaurant widget. How nice would it be to just click a few buttons and have a sumptuous meal delivered at your doorstep? The restaurant widget makes it possible. This widget allows restaurant owners to put restaurant details and menu items on their website so that guests can order their breakfast, lunch, and dinner online. Let's go through this widget step by step to understand how it works. First of all, we'll go to the Content Manager on the web page. From the dialog box that appears, we select Restaurant. Click on the plus sign to add it to your web page. You may even click on a pop-out button on the right to display the widget in a new window. We also have a search button at the bottom to let you search for your desired widget from the given list. For now, we'll go back to the page where the widget was added. To change the layout of the page, click the Page Layout option on the main menu. A simple to use dialog box allows the user to add panels horizontally or vertically, delete panels, and even resize them by pulling the size. The selected layout is loaded onto the page once you click on the OK button. The widgets can be arranged in a desired manner in this layout. Let's click on the Maximize button to let the restaurant widget occupy the entire window. Let's start with the About Us menu option. For the restaurant owner, this is the place where he can give details about his restaurant using a full text editor with all the text editing and formatting options. We can save it by clicking on the Save button. Next is the Menu option. When user clicks on this, it displays the entire list of menu items offered by the restaurant for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We can browse through this list using the page forward and backward options, and we can click the breakfast, lunch, or dinner button to show what items are available in the respective meal times. If you are looking for a particular item, then we can click on the search button on the right, enter the item you're looking for, and click Find. This will display the items if it is available. In this case, we don't have a match, so we reset the search and we go back to the main menu. We can edit a menu item by clicking on Details. Any of the fields can be changed. We can even remove the item from the list. The list can be printed by clicking on the Print button, and the slide button toggles between hiding and displaying the list. The user can add a new item on his menu by clicking on Add and entering the details such as the name, the description of the dish, the image or a video, and the price in any currency that he wants, and specifying which menu it is available on, whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Saving it would add it to the list. Next, we'll check out the Location Contact Us menu tab. This tab will help user to enter the details of the location of the restaurant. Any record on the list can be edited by clicking on it or deleted by clicking on the Remove button. We can click on the search to look for a particular item. Click on Search and then enter the string that you're looking for. Press Find. It would display that particular item. You can even reset the search so that all the items are displayed once again. Click on New Address to add a new location. Details such as the name, the street, city, state, phone number, and fax numbers can be easily added in a very easy to use form. Now what we'll do is we'll publish this widget using a publish button to see how it is visible to the guest who wants to place an order with the restaurant. We copy the piece of code that is generated and run it in another browser window. Here, so in this browser we see another web page where the About Us, the menu tab, and the location tab is available. The About Us gives up the restaurant details just as we had entered it in the main window. The menu tab is the place where the guest can place his order. It displays all the items that the restaurant offers at different meal times, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Guests can place an order by selecting on a particular item, entering the quantity that he requires, and then clicking on the plus sign to add it to his order. This way, he can select as many items as he wants and keep adding them to his order. If you want, you can even check the details of an item before ordering it. Okay. Once you have selected all the items that you wish to order, you need to click on the order button at the top. This will give you a dialog box with all the selected items along with the specified quantities. The user can review his order, see the details, and even delete an item if he doesn't want it now. He can enter his name and address and any instructions that he wants to leave, and then click on send. Leave any instructions that he wants to leave, and then finally he can send it to the restaurant by clicking on the send button. In his browser, the guest can also check out the location of a restaurant by clicking on the Location or Contact Us tab. List of all the addresses is displayed. Clicking on the detail will also show the location on Google Maps. For now, we will close this window and go back to our main restaurant window. Here we'll be able to see the order that was placed by the guest by clicking on the View Orders tab. The list of the orders is shown, and the detail button pops up the full details of the menu items ordered for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This can be printed for easy execution, and once the order is completed, then it can be even deleted from the list by using the minus button. So this is the way in which this widget will be helpful for restaurants and their guests. Finally, we need to publish this widget, which we can do using the options menu. The option menu allows the user to publish the widget to their website using an automatically generated piece of code. The widget can be published as a button by copying and pasting the given piece of code. Email the widget option gives dialog box which can send the mails to predetermined list. They can also publish it on Facebook or Twitter. Running a restaurant has been made really easy without writing a single piece of code.